welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unbagging my March 2019 Lip Monthly bag. If you're not familiar with Lip Monthly, it is a monthly subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size lip products for $12.95 a month. I will put the link for the website in the description box below, so just go ahead and go there and check it out if you want to. But let's get into the unbagging. First we're going to... that wasn't as cool as I thought it was going to be. I can't open it. No, I seriously can't open it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, it's a cute bag. Super cute bag. Okay, so this is the bag. Really cute. Ignore my nails. I chipped my nail polish off. This is the bag. That's the back, or I'm not sure which side is the back or the front. I'm guessing this is the back and then that's the front. It's really cute. This is like my favorite color, so I'm really excited about that. And let's see what we have in here. Okay, so here's the card. It says Lip Monthly New Adventures March 2019. Can you see it? Is it too bright? I don't know. There we go. And then the back, welcome to the March 2019 bag. Out with the gloom and in with the boom of sunshine. That's cute because it's springtime. Spring is upon us, and we've curated a bag that'll help you shift into the new season effortlessly. And then there's some other information about taking 20% off any purchases on the Lip Monthly website. So that's cool. All right, so let's see. First thing I see, okay, so it is an Appeal holographic lip gloss. Let me show you what that looks like. I'm sure, I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, I don't think it is, but it's like glittery and pretty, and I love it. So let's see if I can find out how to open this, and maybe do like a little swatch on the back of my hand so we can take a look at that. Or actually, I could just put it on because I don't have any lipstick on. And I don't... see if it smells like anything. There's no smell whatsoever. Okay, so I mean, I'll just do a swatch because it's just glitter gloss. But wow, that's really cute. I don't know if you can see it. That's pretty. I like that. Cute. Okay, and I'm sure I'll be putting this on over one of the other lipsticks that's in here. Okay, so the next item is a lip pencil. Purse Professional Smear-Proof Lip Liner in Nudist. So this is what it looks like. There's the pencil. And then let's take a look at the... ooh. That's pretty. It's just like a nude color. I like that. So let's go ahead and put that on the lips. We're just going to cover the whole lip with it. It's really pretty. I like it. It's a nice nude color. It looks cute. There we go. Oh, you have to like put the lid on a specific way because it's like squarish, kind of like ovalish kind of shape. So, and the pencil's the same shape as the lid, obviously. So you gotta put it on the right way. But I like the color. It looks really good. It's pretty. Okay, so let me grab my makeup wipes. Okay, so it says that it's smudge proof. I put some on the back of my hand because I took it off my lips already. And then I was like, we need to test to see if it's actually smudge proof. So it's on the back of my hand and we're gonna rub. I don't think it's smudge proof because that just rubbed right off. So yeah. It's not smudge proof, but that's okay because it's pretty and I think I can handle keeping lip liner on throughout the day. All right, so next item is Bang Beauty. Oh, it's another Bang Beauty in Kiss Me. There's the box. Another Bang Beauty. We got this last month, but it was in ballet slipper, and that was like super, super light. But it looks really good with lip liners. You know, you can do like an ombre thing and all that fun stuff. So, and this, oh, it's a crayon. It's a lip crayon. Cute. I like that color. It's really pretty. It's in like a nice, cute, like pinky. Let's see how it looks on. That's really pink. That is really pink. Okay, so that's really pink. It's really creamy and it glides on really easily. And I think actually it would probably look really good with this pencil. But I mean, by itself, I guess it's not bad. It's just, it's like Barbie pink, which I don't know. It looks okay, I guess. I don't hate it. But like I said, I think it would look really good with this pencil, which I love about these bags because a lot of the stuff that come in it you can use together and make different looks and stuff. So that's really cool, and it is kind of cute. So I will probably end up using it with that nude pencil, and it'll probably come out really, really cute. So I'm going to take this off, and then I'll be right back. So the final item is Dirty Little Secret. It's cute packaging. I really like it. I like the polka dots. I like the kiss mark. It's really cute. And it just says Dirty Little Secret Cream Lipstick. Oh, there it is. Barely There's the name of it. Ooh, it's another nude. I hope so. I like nude lipsticks. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. So there's the packaging, like the actual tube. That is so cute. I like it. It looks kind of like a pink color. Another pinky color, but kind of like a pink nude combo. I don't know. But, ooh, it smells good. Kind of vanilla-y. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to put it on, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so it's on, and it's very pink. Another very pink one. Yowza. Like, that's really pink. And I think this will probably be another one that I use with this nude lip. I don't really like pinky lipsticks. Not a big fan of it. But, like I said, I can use it with that nude lip liner, and it'll probably look really good. That is the last item in the bag. I think I am going to play around with it and see if maybe we can save this lip color with this lip liner. But I'm going to take this liquid lip off first. It's really creamy. It is. It feels really nice on the lips. It doesn't feel like super crazy heavy or anything. It's just it's not my color. So I'm going to take this off, and I'll be right back to try it out with the lip liner. Okay, we're gonna try it with the lip liner. Okay, lips are lined, and I kind of look crazy because I think I overlined them like a lot. I did, but that's okay. We're gonna go with it. I mean, not a fan. And I did way overline my lips. I kind of look mental. Okay. We're gonna take this off and pretend this never happened. Okay, so that is all 4 of them. I didn't really put this on, the holographic one, yet, but it's just kind of a gloss. So, I mean, it's gonna look like a gloss. Oh, it's cute. For that, when you want a glossy look, usually I go with the matte lips if I wear lipstick or something, but on those days that I feel like being natural-ish, what is snatchural, I think, what they call it. Yeah. It's pretty. I like it. So this will probably always be in my purse, so then I can just wear it all the time. Okay, but that is it for this video. So if you liked watching this video, hit a thumbs up. If you want to keep watching me, hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. And you have a great night or day or whatever it is, wherever you are. See you later. Bye.